So this vlog's going to be all about Christmas. Made some Christmas purchases while we were there in Disney, and I want to bring them along to show you. So let's go take a look. So I'm going to start off with a couple of things. One is Christmas, one is not. But we'll start off with them. They're small, so I want to show you these things real quick. We're not a pin collector. We don't collect pins. But again, when we see certain pins we like, we buy them. So Suzanne wanted these couple of pins. This Christmas one here, really cute. And this one's not Christmas. It is Thanksgiving, but she had to have it. Really cool pin there. Can't see it. It says Thanksgiving 2020. I don't know if we can see that. Okay. But yep, these are two pins that we picked up. Is that. Another thing that we picked up was Ethan's holding it.
Small thing. This is from Starbucks. I think it's from Starbucks because I think Mom wanted this. Mom got it when we went to Hollywood Studios. She wanted to get this, so we got it.
Yep, it is a Starbucks ornament from Hollywood Studios. Even though it doesn't say Hollywood Studios, I think it's got all the parks on it. But really? Yep, this was one of Suzanne's purchases. She wanted to have this little ornament, so we bought that one. Another thing that she was dying to have was these peppermint bark cookies, or whatever they are. Well, it's peppermint bark. Comes in this tin. And I'm looking at the price, $17.99 for this tin of peppermint bark. I know she wanted it for a while, so when we got there, she made this purchase. Peppermint bark. I don't know. Will I be trying it? Probably not. Not a peppermint fan. So if you are, here you go. Here's the back of it. It's what it looks like. Peppermint bark. I don't know. Give it a shot, maybe. Maybe I will.
And if you want this, then go to Disney Springs. It's at Walt Disney, and you can buy it.
Next in our Christmas haul is this guy right here.
This is
Ethan's
a cookie
drag
jar,
over.
And it's a Christmas. It has Chip and Dale on it, and it says Cookie Stroll.
This is from the holiday festival at Epcot. Festival of the Holidays. They have these cookie jars going around because you can do the cookie stroll. You can go buy 5 cookies. The 6th one is free after you complete it. Suzanne started with Michaela. They only got through 3 because then they forgot the book and they didn't want to start over. But she had to have the cookie jar. So she bought the cookie jar. It's really cute. Chip and Dale on it. It's got a price of $29.99 on it. But, really cute for the collection. She says she's going to use it. I don't know. I say no. She says yes. Me. I like to just put things like this away inside the curio and just display it. But there's that. Another thing, last day we were there, I think we were checking out. I believe we were having breakfast. And she says, I need to go buy it. I regretted not buying it earlier. She bought this holiday baking set. It's a big bowl with, what's this in? Let me read what it says in here. Includes mixing bowl, 2 spatulas, 2 gingerbread cookie cutters. That's what's in here. So we didn't open it yet, but you can see the gingerbread cutters in there. It's a really cute bowl. Mickey and Minnie gingerbreads. It's got the castle. Oh, look, it's got everybody. It's got Donald, Goofy,
Pluto, Minnie,
Pluto. It does, yeah. It's got everybody going around.
The kingdom.
I haven't taken it out of plastic yet because, again, I like to keep everything together. I'm assuming she's going to use this. Yeah, maybe. I hope not, but yeah. I don't know how much this was. Oh, it's right there, $39.99. You got to remember, too, with the annual pass discount, you get your 20% off. Not that we are annual pass holders, but our good friends were, and they were kind enough to come along shopping with us. So that helped out a lot, and I mean a lot. But yeah, $39.99. It's really cute. It is a cute bowl. So, the spatula's way up here. Yep. So yeah, we bought this too. So there's 2 more pieces to the holiday collection. from the 2020 shopping haul. And one of them is, well, I'm going to show you. One of them is a countdown. I had to have this countdown. We contemplated buying it over and over. It's real cute. It's, again, the gingerbreads. Again, everything's still in boxes because we haven't pulled anything out to display them yet. And I'm, contemplating just leave stuff in boxes. So that's in here. It does play, no, it does not play music. 30-day countdown calendar. So you get 30 days out of this. Now we have one. I don't know if you can see it. It is behind me. It's right there. Let me grab it real quick.
That one is not ginger, but this is new.
This was last year's. So we bought this one from our last trip. But we already had one. But this one is really, really cute with the gingerbread, so we had to have that. So there's one more piece to the Christmas haul from 2020. And that is a tradition of ours. We always go to the Christmas store at Disney Springs and get a personalized ornament. We've been doing it now for the last, 8, 9 trips. So we did another one. And this year we went with this guy, the Mickey Snowman. Really cool piece. It's blown glass. And the ornament itself is $27.99, but you pay $3 per word. So we had it engraved like we do every year. Estevez Family 2020. The pixie dust is free. They always had, pixie dust or some other things. We always go with the pixie dust. So I'm looking at my tree from here. We have a lot of them up there. And now we're going to add this one as soon as we're done here. So, yeah, if you guys like this Christmas haul,
hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more from us, it's a subscribe button right down below and the little tiny bell.
what he said. See ya.
Peace out.
So here's a couple more Christmas things that were bought. They're ornaments. They are little ornaments to go with the Starbucks one. Suzanne had to have one. They're mini ears. We went with the red. So yeah, it's cute. Little mini ears. What's the price on this? $19.99 for this little guy. But this next one is very important. We went to Give Kids the World for their spectacular light show. So, they were selling things, and all the proceeds, of course, go back to Give Kids the World. So we bought this ornament, which was hand painted by a child who had stayed there. This one was done by Heather, age 8. It says, Happy Holidays, Give Kids the World Village, by Heather at age 8. And this is what she drew. So this is real cute, and it came in this little pouch. I highly recommend going to Give Kids the World. Go donate your time when they're back open. This year they're not open, so they did the spectacular lights to raise some money. I highly recommend it. You won't regret spending $1 to go there. It's $25 for adults, $15 for children, but it's worth every dime and every second that you are there. So go check it out.